How to remove screen from Acer Travelmate B117. First, grab your fingernails, get your fingernails under the bezel cover here, and literally just pull it out. It's so easy. Take this off. Then you get a screwdriver. There's 4 screws, one in each side here, one at the bottom, one at the top, and the same on the other side. They're just little short screws. That's number 3, number 4. These screens come out really easy. I like to put a little bit of paper down just to protect the screen as you fold it down. And the very last bit is you can remove the sticky tape here, and this connector comes out very easily. It just pops straight out, and there's your screen removed.